Well, hey, howdy. Thanks for stopping by Camp Dog Workshop. Here's just a quick peek into one of the steps involved in building those 316T arc lanterns. One of the more difficult parts to find is the actual shade. I looked into having these things spun for them. Would have been about $200 a piece. That's way too much. It would put the lantern way out of reasonable price. So what I did find was a company named Old Dutch was selling a 4.5 quart beating bowl. A beating bowl is for whipping eggs. It has a round bottom rather than a flat bottom. And the 4.5 quart beating bowl is almost the exact size as the original shades. So I was buying these from Old Dutch. They discontinued making them. Yikes. So what I've been doing is diligently searching eBay, and every time one of these comes available within a certain target price, I buy it. And this is how they come. Solid copper bowl. Comes with a little ring to hang it up. Very artsy fartsy, kind of cute. I've never beat eggs in it, but I suppose it works. And one of the things I gotta do is turn it into a shade. So the shades have an opening with a raised lip on it. What I did was I went to my local machine shop. Bruce, that's his name too, happened to be the guy, and I had him make me up this stamping press. So what I do on the bowl is I find the center. I have a little gauge that I use to find the exact center, drill a pilot hole in it, and put the bowl in there, put the male part on. I give it a couple of really good whacks with a heavy hammer, and it punches out a flat surface which is the same diameter as that. It's no coincidence. I measured that, and that's how I had Bruce make it. Then what I gotta do is cut the center out of this. And the method I'm using now, which is probably the most efficient, I've been figuring this out for a year. I got a little Dremel tool with a flexible handle. So I mark where I want to cut, buzz around there, cut it out, and I end up with a plug like this, which I don't know, I use for something. But this gets me mechanically the to where I want to be on these shades. Then I got to strip the lacquer off, so I have a caustic bath to strip the lacquer, polish it up, and then plate it. So that's it. That's how we make the shades for the Camp Wounded Dog Workshop 316 arc lanterns. Alright folks, thanks for stopping by. Stay out of trouble if you can. If not, don't call me for bail. I won't go your bail, even though you're my friend. Alright, goodbye.